Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful secret that could change your life. You've probably always heard that losing weight is hard, but did you know that there are some simple scientific and natural methods that can work like magic? If you've been thinking that weight loss isn't possible for you, by the end of this video, your perspective will change. So stay with us till the end to discover 10 simple and effective tips that can help you lose weight naturally and sustainably. Number 1. Start your day with warm water and lemon. Beginning your day the right way is crucial. Drinking warm water with lemon in the morning plays a key role in weight loss. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which detoxifies your body and strengthens your immune system. Warm water helps boost your metabolism and keeps you hydrated. When you drink this mixture every morning, it accelerates your body's detox process and improves digestion. It helps flush out toxins and supports a healthy gut. Studies have shown that drinking this mix before breakfast not only aids weight loss, but also boosts energy levels. The antioxidants in lemon make your skin glow and help remove harmful toxins that cause skin irritation and dullness. Number 2. Eat a balanced, low-calorie diet. The most important part of losing weight is maintaining a balanced, low-calorie diet. Include proper amounts of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber in your meals. A balanced diet provides your body with essential nutrients while limiting unnecessary calories. High-protein foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes should be part of your meals. They help you feel full longer and boost your metabolism. Don't forget fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins and minerals. Avoid white flour, sugar, and fried foods, as they offer empty calories and lead to fat gain. Instead, choose whole grains, light vegetables, and low-fat proteins that are much healthier for your body. Number 3. 30 minutes of daily physical activity or walking. Daily physical activity is a key element in losing weight. Try to include at least 30 minutes of exercise or brisk walking in your routine. Physical activity keeps your body active and speeds up metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. Exercise also releases endorphins, the happy hormones, which reduce stress and improve your mood. You'll feel more energetic and productive throughout the day. Even if you're too busy for a workout, a simple 30-minute walk can still make a huge difference. Walking improves blood circulation and benefits your heart health as well. Number 4. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep is essential for effective weight loss. Poor sleep directly impacts your metabolism and hunger hormones. When you don't get enough rest, your body tends to store more fat and increases cravings. A proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep helps your body restore energy and maintain hormonal balance. It also reduces physical and mental fatigue, keeping you active and motivated throughout the day. Without good sleep, your hunger increases and you're more likely to overeat. But with restful sleep, your body functions efficiently, helping you achieve your weight loss goals faster. Number 5. Avoid sugar and white flour. To lose weight effectively, you must reduce or eliminate sugar and white flour from your diet. These ingredients are high in calories and lead to quick spikes in blood sugar, causing frequent hunger and overeating. They also raise insulin levels in the body, which encourages fat storage. Instead, choose healthier alternatives like whole grains, fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. By cutting down on sugar and refined carbs, your body starts to burn stored fat, helping you lose weight naturally and stay energized throughout the day. Number 6. Protein-packed breakfast. Energy for the whole day. If you want to lose weight, starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast is essential. Protein keeps your body energized and helps you feel fuller for longer. A protein-packed breakfast boosts your metabolism and enhances your energy levels throughout the day. When you start your day with proteins like eggs, yogurt, or milk, your body is ready for the entire day ahead. Protein not only strengthens your muscles, but also helps reduce body fat storage. A protein-rich breakfast helps control hunger, making you eat less and contributing to weight loss. Additionally, protein helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy dips throughout the day. A good protein breakfast satisfies your body's nutritional needs and keeps you active throughout the day. It can include sources like milk, yogurt, eggs, lentils, or chicken. This breakfast is not only beneficial for your health, but also supports your weight loss journey. Number 7. Intermittent fasting. The modern approach to weight loss. Intermittent fasting, IF, has become a popular method for weight loss. This approach encourages eating during certain hours of the day and fasting during others. There are different types of intermittent fasting, such as the 16-to-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-to-2 method, where you fast for 20 hours and eat during a 4-hour window. window. 2 method, where you fast for 2 days a week and eat normally on the other 5. Intermittent fasting helps with weight loss by limiting your calorie intake. During fasting periods, your body burns fat for energy, which reduces body fat. It also lowers insulin levels and improves metabolism. This approach works naturally to help the body lose weight, and many people have seen success with it. It prevents overeating while maintaining steady energy levels. Additionally, it helps burn body fat, speeding up the weight loss process. Number 8, increased water intake, boosting metabolism. Drinking plenty of water is not only crucial for hydration, but also plays a key role in boosting metabolism. When you drink more water, your body functions better, and your metabolism improves. Dehydration decreases your energy levels and slows down metabolism, which can lead to weight gain. Water also keeps your skin hydrated and improves your overall health. It helps flush out toxins from your body and enhances digestion. Moreover, drinking more water makes you feel full for longer, which reduces hunger and prevents overeating. Experts say that drinking water can increase metabolism by up to 30%, helping in weight loss. To lose weight, it's essential to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. If you replace water with healthy drinks, like coconut water or green tea, it can further boost your weight loss process. Number 9, reducing stress, controlling cortisol levels. Stress has negative effects on your body, and it can cause weight gain. When you're stressed, your body produces a hormone called cortisol. This hormone encourages fat storage, especially around the belly area, leading to weight gain. Therefore, reducing stress and controlling cortisol levels is crucial for weight loss. There are several methods to reduce stress, such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. These techniques help relax your body and reduce cortisol levels. When you calm your body, it functions more effectively, improving your health. Furthermore, adopting a positive mindset and reducing mental stress also helps with weight loss. By managing your stress, your body works better and your weight loss becomes more effective. Number 10, weight loss boosting natural drinks. Cumin, cinnamon, and green tea. Natural drinks like cumin, cinnamon, and green tea are excellent for weight loss. These drinks accelerate your metabolism, reduce body fat, and improve energy levels. Drinking cumin and cinnamon-infused water helps your body work better and improves digestion, which leads to burning more calories. The antioxidants and catechins in green tea help burn fat. Drinking green tea can significantly reduce body fat, and it also boosts metabolism. Additionally, green tea helps you stay full longer and reduces hunger, preventing overeating. Moreover, natural ingredients like cumin and cinnamon help detoxify your body and improve overall health. Incorporating these natural drinks into your daily routine can make your weight loss process faster and more efficient. Friends, we hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it and found these weight loss tips useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends so they too can benefit from these simple and natural weight loss methods. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these tips? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Stay tuned for more great content, and remember, achieving your fitness goals is all about consistency and making small, smart choices every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.